For real, for real, for real, for real. This my city, my city. Yeah, yeah. For real, for real, for real, for real, for real. This is my city.
Hey guys, welcome back to StyledByBeaver. This will be transition makeup look. This was a really good BoxyCharm. I'm really excited about what I got. Coalition Beauty. I have eczema on my arms right now, and I just decided to put this oil on it. It helped minimize the amount of, like, I guess, itching and pain that I felt, and it has been keeping it hydrated, and it hasn't given me any issues since I've been using it. Next, I have the Truly Beauty Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. This has hemp, jojoba, and vitamin E oil in it. It's super moisturizing. It's perfect for at nighttime when you're going to bed. I really like how full the jar is, and that one retails for $16 US, and the first oil retails for $49 US. So next, I'm going to use the Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. I got the shade Medium Bronze, sorry, Warm Deep Bronze, and I just use a fluffy brush, and I'm just applying that to the perimeter of my face. This bronzer is very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. It retails for $35, and it just gives this nice sun warmth or sun-kissed warmth to the face. It's really soft and silky, and it blends in really nicely. So next, I'm going in with the Dito Cosmetics Limited Edition Venus 12 shade palette. It's a really nice range of neutrals. Like I said, perfect for transitioning into the fall from summer, and it retails for $29.99. I'm gonna go in with the shade. I'm using the shade as a transition shade. It's called Phobos. They're named after, I think they're all planets, or I believe they're all planets, but some of the names I don't recognize, so I don't know if I'm old when they created new planets and I'm missing out, or some of these aren't planet names. But I went in with Phobos as my transition shade, and now I'm using Europa. It's this dark, deep brown shade. I'm just going to use it on the outer part of my V to give my face some shape, and I'm using a dense brush to apply that shade. Next, I'm going in with the shade 10. It's this beautiful bronzy shade, just like a straight up bronze shade, and I'm going to use that to apply onto the rest of my eyelids. And I'm just blending that out with a flat shader brush, and I'm going back in with the shade Europa to make sure that 10 and Europa are blended in seamlessly. So now I'm going in with the, what is this called? Mana Kadar Beauty Hydration Happy Face Mist. I hate the way it smells. It stinks. It's just really perfumey. It's a nice fine mist, and it just make my face feel hydrated, but I don't love it. Anyways, that's it for this BoxyCharm base box. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Hey.